Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Poco M7 Pro. And so yeah, for those of you guys, if you feel bored with your wallpaper that just so, don't need to be worried guys, because Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of wallpaper with various type that you can choose one of them to become your wallpaper. And how to choose or how to change your wallpaper is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. And then after that, now you can choose wallpaper from your gallery, or you can choose from this one guys. There's a lot of wallpapers that you can choose. Honestly I feel confused, but I will choose this one because it's so good and beautiful. And then so yeah, you can click for it, and then you can tap to preview, and then you can apply for your home screen or lock screen or both. And then you can click agree, and so yeah, the result will be like this. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change wallpaper. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.